Do you know what really happens after an animal dies in the wild? This is where life begins again.
In the wild, nothing is ever wasted. When an animal dies, the story doesn't end there.
Vultures, hyenas, and jackals arrive within minutes. They are nature's cleanup crew, removing what no longer lives. What remains is broken down by insects and bacteria, working silently at a microscopic level. Those nutrients return to the soil, feeding new plants. Grass begins to grow, and life starts again. In nature, nothing is wasted. Even death gives birth to life.